how you doing? It's Lauren. I am doing my first go live recording on YouTube. Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of chime in with you guys today. I was listening to the radio this morning and I came across a song called Wonder by Daddy Weave on 96.1 here in San Diego. And I was also watching a television called How the Universe Worked, and it kind of correlated this morning as I was driving down the freeway. I had this really ethereal thought. I've always had the picture of the universe as being we're such a small atom in the grand scheme of our universe that it always just blows my mind to think that we on Earth have made life. We came out of the ooze of this Earth, and we have done so much. And I'm always wondering: is there more life out there? Is there somebody, something out there bigger and greater than me? Or us in the world? And I keep coming back to, we are so small in the infinitesimal vastness that we call our universe and the outer lying areas, and we have just scratched the surface on exploration. We've only taken pictures of a lot of the planets. We haven't even gone onto the surfaces. So last night I was watching How the Universe Works, and they were talking about universes and how many millions of universes or how many millions of galaxies there are out in our universe, and then about out of the great beyond. And I have to look back on our society's history and think, how we've kind of formed our thought processes. So one of the biggest ones that comes to mind for me is our idea of God. And through the ages, even from Neanderthal back in that days, the only way to explain something that is unexplainable is to assign a God to it. Assign a greater deity or something greater than us, because we can't explain it. We didn't make the universe. We don't know how the universe was made. We can hypothesize, the Big Bang Theory, but we still don't know. It's only a hypothesis. Sorry. And it just makes me just completely wonder. So, here's how I think about it. Have you ever gone to a pond and you take an eyedropper of water, and inside that eyedropper there's hundreds of different types of animals and creatures living unbeknownst to us out here in this vast big Earth universe that we have out here? And I think that's how we are. We are like an atom-sized drop of water hanging in this space of this gigantic universal lagoon, which has other little spin-offs from it. And if you ever want to see mathematics or science, look how a universe is set up. So the other day, it's going to be kind of jumped all over here today. The other day I had these little I don't know, what do you call them? Orbeez. And they're really hard. You stick them in water, and if you've ever stick them at the bottom of a glass bowl, and as they suck in the water, they, without a brain, they start putting themselves in order. And at one point you'll see a wonderful, mathematically driven order in these Orbeez as they suck up the water. It's amazing how this universe works despite us. I just wonder. So the Earth is round. Like, I'm looking at the blue sky and the clouds. I cannot see past that. And I think we as humans get so caught up in all of our day-to-day stuff that we forget to look up. We forget that there are planets and stars and much more out there besides what you see encapsulated in this little water droplet called Earth. So I would encourage you all to go outside at night, look up at the stars, realize that we are so small and that we have only one Earth and that we can take care of this Earth. And just be in wonder. If you ever have a chance to go to a place where you can see the Milky Way, you will just see how vast and how small we are. That's a food for thought today. Remember that when everything gets going really bad or rough, remember to breathe and also do one thing every day that scares you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button below. And if you like what you're seeing, I don't make a lot of videos, but subscribe and make a comment down below if you want to see a certain type of video. Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.